Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Nissan Xterra cabin air filter. First, gather your tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver and your new cabin air filter. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. We'll start by locating the glove box, as the filter is usually behind it. This simple task can greatly improve your vehicle's air quality. Now, open your glove box and remove everything inside for clear access. Gently press inward on the sides of the glove box to release the retaining clips or stops, allowing it to swing down. Be careful not to force it, as some models may have a dampener arm that needs detaching. Once lowered, you'll see the cabin air filter housing ready for the next step. With the housing exposed, unclip the cover to reveal the old cabin air filter. Carefully pull it out, noting its orientation and the airflow arrow direction. This is crucial for proper installation. Now, slide your new filter into the housing, ensuring the airflow arrow points correctly, usually towards the rear of the vehicle. Make sure it fits snugly without bending. After installing the new filter, securely reattach the filter housing cover, making sure all clips are engaged. Then, carefully lift the glove box back into its original position, re-engaging the side stops. Give it a gentle push to ensure it's latched properly. This completes the cabin air filter replacement. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your fresh, clean air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.